Have you ever looked at yourself in a photo and noticed your shoulders were rounded or your neck was sticking forward? If you spend hours working at a desk, gaming, or scrolling on your phone, you're definitely not alone. So I decided to test one of Amazon's best-selling posture correctors for 7 days to see if it actually made a difference. Day 1, putting it on felt a little strange. It gently pulled my shoulders back, reminding me to sit and stand more upright. It wasn't uncomfortable, but it definitely took some getting used to. Day 3, I started noticing something interesting. I became much more aware of my posture, even when I wasn't wearing the brace. Instead of slouching automatically, I found myself correcting my position throughout the day. Day 5, sitting at my desk felt more comfortable. The posture corrector didn't magically fix everything, but it served as a constant reminder to avoid hunching over my keyboard and phone. Day 7, my posture looked a little straighter and I felt more confident standing and walking. The biggest surprise wasn't the brace itself, it was how it helped build better posture habits. But here's the important part. A posture corrector isn't a permanent solution. It won't strengthen your muscles or instantly fix years of poor posture. For the best results, combine it with stretching, back-strengthening exercises, and regular movement throughout the day. So, is it worth buying? If you need a gentle reminder to improve your posture while working or studying, I'd say yes. Just don't expect overnight miracles. Think of it as a training tool, not a cure. If you're interested, I've linked the posture corrector I tested in the description below, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.